Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video, the basic of the database in Microsoft Access. So we started the first video, we saw how to name your database, how to create your first table. Now our purpose today, we are going to explain how to add a data in that table. But before doing that, we need to talk about the data and the data type. So let's get started on the data and the data type. But first of all, we need to get the explanation on the data type. Let's get started. So here in the Microsoft Access, the today lesson is based on data types in Microsoft Access. The data types in Microsoft Access, each column in a database table is required to have a name and a data type. Microsoft Access has to decide what types of data will be stored inside each and every table column. When creating a database in Microsoft Access, you have to think first, what are we going to do? Which type of data are we going to give to our data? So once we want to give the data type to our data, we have to first of all specify the kind of data we want to store. The data type is a label and a grid line for Access to understand what type of data is expected inside of each. Have you seen that? So now if we want to understand this data type, so this you can read it after. Have you seen? So you can read this and take some notes of it. So let's get down to the table to show you how to give your data type. So in order to give your data type in Microsoft Access, what are we going to do? The following table lists the general data types in Access. If we take the data and we take the data types, for instance, if I want to give the ID is going to come with something we call the auto number or the short list. Why are we giving the auto number to a data? We are giving the auto number to a data because of what? Because we want our ID should be coming what? Automatically. And the short test also here to specify which kind of data type do we want to give to our data. If we, for instance, we take the name here, the name is going to give the short test. So what does mean the short test? The short test is the data type that which we give to a data to specify that name, and whatsoever we take the name, we have the country, we have my first name, I have my last name, so whatsoever. If we take the telephone number, the telephone number we can give, for instance, a telephone number to the data type of that telephone number should be what? The shortest or a number. If we take shortest, either you want your telephone number should start with plus, because of what? The shortest accept a specific character, a symbol. So the plus here is a symbol. That is the reason why we are going to choose a shortest to give plus to our data type. If for instance we take a number here, give what? Give for instance a 00. So the simple number without any symbol. Good. Let's get back to the email. For instance, if I choose the email we should take the data type upper link. Upper link, it's going to link you direct to your email account on Google. If also we take the shortest, we can just type simple email without any link. And if we take the picture should come with the old option. What does mean the old object? The old object accepts the binary. We all know that the picture is a binary. So there is a reason why the picture should take what? The binary. If we take any dates, we have many kind of dates. Your date of birth, your starting date, your ending date, whatsoever. So we should take what? A date and time. That is the data type of the date. Any kind of date we have in this world. If we take to make making choice, like we want to choose something, we have to take yes, no. Are you married? Yes, no. Have you seen? So to make a choice, we take what? The data type yes, no to make a choice. If we are getting down to money, the money should be what? The currency, because we want to take the currency form of that money. Either you take franc Guinea in my country, like Guinea Conakry, we have a franc Guinea, and we also have in Ghana we have Ghana cedis. In America we have a dollar US. So those are the money we have. So we have to take the currency. That is the data type of that. If you want to link your, for instance, your website, you have to take attachment. You want to link your website with your database, you take attachment. And if you want to create a drop-down box, we take what? The lookup wizard to create our drop-down box list. So here is how to understand the data type. So here, so far, we are going to go back to the first table we create, and I show you how to name your table and give your data type. Good. So let's get started now.